Going on, guys? What we've here today is a Millenco Magnum. It's a double Euro, 35/35. Got your anti-snap features on there. Pretty good locks here. I'll show you the key. So there's your key there. So we just zoom in slightly, so you got a better look at what's going on. So you got all your pins here. Your pins like a V shape. I'll go more in depth about that once I got the lock. And you've got your side track here, which does the side pins with the sidebar here at the top left. I'll show you that once again once I got it. But yeah, so that's the key. I'm going to show you that key works fine. What I have done as well, I've took the circle clip off. Can't remember what side it might be. Yep, this side. Took the circle over this side, just to save time once I got it, because these circle clips are very hidden on the cam there, very thin. It's going to take me a while to get it off. But yeah, so what I'm going to do, just going to whack this in the vise now. Make sure it's in focus for you. Zoom out. There we go. Right, I'm going to be picking this. Just going to use a standard tension tool and a half diamond, a Salford half diamond, quite a big one as well. Let's get a good reach on all those pins. Let me just adjust my camera there. Right, okay. Starting from the back, feeling if I've got any binding pins. Nothing on that side, so I'm going to switch, reverse my pick. Remember, like V's, so although they're in line with each other, they're angled pins. Got quite a bit of a false set there, as you see. Switch it. Just in tension now and then. Another false set there. Now, I'm quite happy that most of those pins are set, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little, well, it's a pick, but it's been adjusted very finely, just like a bar. I'm going to slide it at the side, and hopefully going to nudge all those side pins into place. Right, going to reset the side pins. Try again. And there we go, guys. That's the Millenco picked. Put it tap position, and we can get it gutted now, can't we? Hopefully you guys can see. Zoom in slightly. Right, remember, I've took the circle clip off. Hopefully use that just to get a bit of a grip on those drivers. Right, I'm going to slowly pull this out. Some of them have fell out there in the core. Oops, not doing too well, all the pins are falling out. What I'll do, I'll put all the pins out so you can see all the pins. As you can see, they're all outside of each other, but once they go in the core, they're all in line. And here is your sidebar. So I'll lay that out there for you. All the springs, take all the pins out. Oh, you can't even see that. Sorry about that, guys. It's just my camera. So I work from a side view, you see. Quickly just got to take all these out because I don't want my phone cutting off. As per usual, very unorganised when I go. But at least you can get a better view what's inside. And I can show you now, just move my camera up. Right, so there's your key pins. If it focuses. And what they are, they're like sitting angled like that behind each other. So one's in front and one's behind, like that. and they all look aligned in the core, but in actual fact they're not. That's why you have to reverse your pick. You got your sidebar. So your 4 little pins. Yep, 4 little pins for your sidebar, and that's situated at the top left there. And then over to the drivers. So you got a couple of little well, you just got the one spool, and the rest, you got a little tip here, and this looks like an anti-bump pin. Oh, it's an anti-jaw pin from the front. Yeah, it looks like an anti-jaw pin, this, from the front. And that's it. That's the Magnum Millenco picked with the sidebar. Thanks then for watching. Till next time, cheers.